I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
All right, y'all, we're about to step inside the New Balance outlet here in Orlando International Premium Outlets. See what their after Black Friday promo is. All right, y'all, let's see what he's doing. Let's head over here, straight to the lifestyle section. And we have clearance yellow sticker. Everything is 40% off. And we have some 9060s here, a few colors. This one is excluded from promo. It's a nice colorway. We got kind of styles that's excluded from promo. This one is excluded from promo also in the gray. So these are just $159. Got the gray also. Oh, snap. We already got a 2010. This model just came out this year. I actually have the gray days. So that was the first model. The first colorway of this model to come out. Release, which is the 2010. Yeah. This one just dropped this year. We're already in here for $149 at 40% off. Kind of like this color. I ain't really too much about this kind of yellowish, greenish color here, but it's dope though. They not the most comfortable model. They're good, but they're not the most comfortable. And this is new to seeing here. They have 993s. They never have 993s in here. But they're excluded from promo. They're $199. Oh, these are $200. These are the regular retail price. But they have a different color here. Made in USA, $993. These are buy one, get one 50% off though. So you could get this one for buy one, get one 50%. Oh, and they also just spotted this olive to the gray and the 993 for $199. Also $200, but it's buy one, get one 50% off. This one is actually on promo too. Oh, we got some dope colors in the 990s. We got a 990 V6, got a nice brown with the purple. These are hard, and these are 40% off, but it's from $219. They got a lot of new stuff in here. I like this right here. This brown with the purple. This is a real fly colorway. Yeah, this brown with this purple is hard. I don't know about that price though, but it's dope. And then right next to them, we got this colorway. This is excluded from promo. This is just $199. You know, it's funny, and then people comparing Jordans and saying how expensive they are. New Balance have never been an inexpensive shoe. New Balance have always been $150. They have some lower price models, but the made in USA's, and they've never been an inexpensive shoe. Okay, we got a nice blue here. This blue is $199 also. You get 40% off. This is a 990 V6. And actually, out of the V6s, I bought a few of these this year. And most of the ones that I've gotten, I got them all at 50% off, fortunately. And my favorite ones out of the 990s is actually this one right here, the V4. The V4s are a lot more comfortable to me than the V6. But I don't know, y'all hit me in the comments to let me know. I actually was able to get this exact pair for 50% off from $119, not buy one, get one 50% off. I got it for just a straight 50% off. So that's why you got to come back and check how the promos go back and forth. And actually on feet today, I'm wearing a pair of 990 V4s that I was able to get for 50% off. I think I paid $60 or $70 for these. Made in USA 990 V4s. Now we're about to check out some more of the lifestyle section. We got some 1906s here. This one is also excluded from promo. This is new one here. This is $154.99. But we have it in nice sale and silver and black. These are $154.99, but these are the promo for buy one get one 50% off, and also in the black and silver. But this is once again excluded from promo, so it's like every other one is excluded from promo. This seems like it's one of the unisex colorways. Yeah, 159. Buy one get one 50% off. So it's two promos going on: buy one get one 50% off, or the yellow sticker, which is 40% off. And you got the black and pink, and these are 129 for this model. For this, well, this colorway of this model of the 1906R, 129, and you take 40% off of that. And you got a few more colors here, 154.99. Once again, buy one get one 50% off. That's part of that promo. But then you have this green, kind of like a Volt kind of green, somewhat. And these are 149, and you take 40% off. Then you have a few 740s here from $89.99, and you take 40% off of that. That's a real good price right here, $89.99, and you take 40% off. This one, with the orange and gray for $99 and take 40% off. This one is $114, which is excluded from promo, and this one right here is also $114.99, but this one is actually 40% off. I like the color on this one. This is real nice. I actually have one pair of the 740s, and these are actually one of my favorite models. These are super light and comfortable. Like, these are way lighter than the 990s. Only difference is it's just not the made in USA pairs. But we have some more lifestyle 990s, the black on black. I never seen these in stock. These are 114, and these are excluded from promo, but not bad for the 740s. Yeah. And these are usually a lower price than the other models. Then we got a blue and gray. These are $99, and you take 40% off of that. I just spotted this color. This one is hard. And this is $79.99, and you take 40% off. I like this colorway on this 740 right here. This is a dope colorway and even better price. Another one, $79.99, 40% off. Another dope one. And they got I forgot what you call this, like I don't know, like an ombre where it fades in from one color to the next. Got the blue on the top. This is a dope colorway too. $79.99, 40% off. These are $144. We got a pair 2002Rs. And these are $144, and it's buy one get one 50% off. And we also have it in the black, the leather, $144.99. Once again, this colorway is excluded from promo though. And they have it in gray, $144.99, excluded from promo. And this is a what, 408? Nah, that's no bueno. We're gonna take a look at the discount wall and see what's over. Take a little look back here. We're back on the clearance wall. Let's see what they have. I actually have this pair. These are $99. I was able to get this pair earlier this year during tax-free week for $49 flat, because they were same thing, $99, but it was tax-free week, and they were actually 50% off when I was able to get them. So I paid $49 flat out the door. Got a pair 1906 here for $109, and all the yellow stickers are 40% off. Got a pair of 550s here for the Amin. Dang, Amin's 550s. That's a nice one. 40% off. And these are $69.99. You take 40% off of that. That's not bad at all. $109 for these 1906 also, once again. It's a cool colorway. Seen these already. Another pair of 550s. So got a pair of Corduras. Nice Cordura New Balance collab. These are $69.99. And we take 40% off of that. Oh, I like this colorway. You just seen these nice olive 202Rs. What's the price on these? $129. You take 40% off. Like somebody just tried these on a while ago. I like the olive colorway though. These are dope. Also, this colorway is a size 9. Yeah, I like these. It's real fallish. Got the greens and all the orange and the browns. $139 for these though. These are $139. And the yellow sticker, so you take 40% off of that. All right, that's it for the New Balance outlet here at Orlando International Premium Outlets. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.